it's me, Abby from Abby Vlog, and today we're not at home. We're at the puppy washer, and this is my cute little dog, Lucy. Frankie, that's my brother's dog, and Chili, the cute. And my dad was videoing, and I am going to the workshop later on, and this is what it looks like. It's garbage. There's garbage everywhere. Guys, do not litter at home or at the universe. Okay, I'm home. This little hidey spot. There's a tap over there. I'll tell you one of the fun bits about the workshop. There's an office and there's an XOX. And you can play. Look at all the guys. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. And also, remember when the other day I said t-shirts? I'm going to make my own costumes, but my nan's going to make. She's a good sewer. So give the thumbs up. So hit that little thumbs up and hit the bell. Bye. Peace. Hey guys, it's me, Abby from Abby's Vlog. And today we're not at home, basically, but we're at the puppies wash. This is my cute little dog, Tilly. And this is the dog that's always naughty. She eats trash. Tilly eats trash. And who's this? Dad, Frankie. And we have the mom washing the dogs. Mommy! We're at the wet. We're going out now to see the whole adventure. We're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure. Look at all this trash. Do you live like that, guys? Comment down below if you crash, litter, or put junk everywhere. I don't, because I make sure the environment's good. And what is this? What is this? What? Look. There's more bunch. Let's go back to work. Okay? This is my home. This is where I basically live. And you don't want to know where much.